สมัยนี้สังคมแต่จิตไม่มาการกรรมทีได้กำซันจะให้สำหรับแวะนี้คือจะหนึ่งสัญญาทาจะหนึ่งเมียนวาตเมียนดาราสันใดในกอดจะเจอมาปีประเทศฟิลิปปินส์ให้เราแน่หนึ่งบ้านจุบก้อนในขนมเปย์บันเตติดนี้ผ่องได้ให้สำหรับแวะนี้เป็นการทีสมากรตะดอนเนี่ยอุปธรรมทมสมากรดอสแซขาดคือได้ประโยชน์แซขาดแต่งอ้อดำใบออซาโตไงบนในกระไดตรลังแซขาดบ้านเรียบจำการวิธีประกวดมวยดำใบแชร์รางวัลดาจารย์อจ้ากระไดตรลังในบล็อกย่อมคือจิการประกวดเจริญรูปเพียมในกระไดตรลังดำใบแชร์รางวัล iPad mini iPod Touch หนึ่งมาเซ็นทรัลรูปคานอนดิจิทัลดำใบแชร์รางวัลต่างอันนี้ประโยชน์กระแต่บังการรูปเพียมในกระไดตรลังอาจจะรูปเพียบดำหรือก็จะรูปเพียบดีไซน์ให้พยาหมอกการประอบสมบกจาก Facebook HG Fanpage จะมวยหนึ่งเลยตรวจสอบได้หรือบ่ลูกแหนพองได้รูปเพียบได้แต่ตัวบันการความโจรแหลกชนะจึงเก๋นั่งแต่ตัวบันเจลิพีประกาศรัฐพรเนี่ยชนะในทางตีปรามคายมีหน้าชนะปีบอลดับใบประหยับล้างโจรวมประกวดรูปเพียบอัตนัยก็ได้สลายบอกชมต่างอัคนี้นังเมียนอากาศแชร์รางวัลดาจารย์อาจารย์ปีแท้ขาดจะสมกุลเดชากรทำกรรมทีจีบันโตดำไปเชลวัดมาโตตริมตรัสไปดองมาโตบารอกขณะคางช่วยมุสลิมมาโตบารอกพนัยกันนามุสลิมนั่งมาโตบารอกพนัยคางสตัมมุสลิมดำไปเชลวัดมาโตสกอปปี้ตรัสไปดองมาโตในดีพนัยคางช่วยมุสลิมมาโตในดีพนัยกันนามุสลิมนั่งมาโตในดีพนัยคางสตัมมุสลิมบรรโตการปราบปรามปรามปีปรามดองสำนักหรือกระอาจิรุกเนี่ยปรามปีปรามดองก็ปัดชนะปัดปราดองบอลปัดปรามปีปรามดองในไอเกตท่าเดชสตรีสมกุลจีบันโตดอแบรนด์วิตาปรุนพลัสแบรนด์วิตาปรุนพลัสเริ่มมันจำรังเจนยาพิเศษปีพลายปรุนในนอมโจมาปีรัฐแคลิฟอร์เนียสหรัฐอเมริกามีนคุณภาพข้อปีพลายปรุนธรรมดานังมีนสารจิตกะสไซไฟเบอร์ได้ช่วยเอาประปอนบรรเจนเจ้าดำนาการบานละอดัชนีดำไปตัวมันใบสลัดล่าหนังกระบาโพริสมาสมยามแบรนด์วิตาปรุนพลัสบนเปโจเกนร้อยยุก
บอกเอาคนชิมบัตสมอนุญาตเอาคนดอลกรมพลจิบันโตติดคือมียืงมีขมายยืงพิซซ่ามียืงมีขมายยืงนมลงในสกปรกพิซซ่ามียืงมีขมายยืงคือดำไปเลือกสตูดิผลิตภัณฑ์ประเทศยืงมียืงมีขมายยืงผลิตเช่นปีทอมจิตได้เชื่อวัตถุเถิดดาวมีในขนมประเทศกัมพูชีมียืงมีขมายยืงมีบุญรูจิตคือรูจิตสัจรุกสัจโกสัจมอนนังรูจิตสัจเตียมียืงมีขมายยืงผลิตภัณฑ์ประเทศยืงจิมุตนเพียบชิดยืงผลิตนังใจโดยกรมพลไม้นสรุนปริมาตรทัศนกิจต่างอาชีพกรุบส้มจมเรียบจุดดำนังดอลทัศนกิจได้ในภูมิปริทุมคุมจงกาลสรกจงกาลใครตัวดอมินเจย์บานเชียบทาการวิธีสำนอยตามภูมิระบบบันไดสถานีตรวจตัวกรมจิตสิทธิ์อันหนึ่งโจทย์สำได้จูนพวกมาเมมิงบางปอนทัศนากรรมสารในทั้งไอตีดับปีใครมีนายชนำปีปอนดับใบขนมปริเวณวิลสายจิตสนากากณะปะประชาชนกัมพูชีโดยเฉพาะสมกรุเป็นเชิญบางปอนได้บาทัดในภูมิคุมขังเลือโจรวมทัศนาบานชรานก่อเอาคนประโยชน์ตรวจทัศนกิจจิตกรุบจีบันต่อเดี๋ยวนี้ยิ่งชมหนึ่งอันเชิญในดาราภาพยนตร์ดอลลาร์ใบได้อันเชิญมาปีประเทศฟิลิปปินส์คือโลกมิกาเอลได้โลกกำปงแต่แบบเมียนการบัญจังแบบสายเรื่องរបស់លោកគឺរឿងវិញ្ញាណស្នេហ៍ប្រកាយនិងកញ្ញាខាឡាដូច្នេះសូមផ្ដល់ជាសម្លេងគាំទ្រទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Now we would like to invite Mr. Mikael and Miss Kala Hello
Hello everybody
Hello to everybody
Hello.
Yeah,
How are
nice.
you guys?
Nice to meet you again
Hello
Yes,
how
it's
are
very
you
nice
Bob
to be here.
Hello
Are you
Hello.
okay
Yes,
Yes, we're good.
we are doing very good.
You all have a very beautiful setup here.
Okay,
Yes,
today
thank
we
you.
have some question to ask you and the first let you take a seat please
All right.
Oh,
Okay
thank you very much.
បាទនៅពេលនេះដែរយើងនឹងមានបាទសំណួរខ្លះៗដើម្បីសាកសួរទៅដល់តារាកិត្តិយសរបស់យើងទាំងពីរគឺលោកមីកាអែលដែលជាតួមួយនៅក្នុងខ្សែរឿងដែលកំពុងតែចាក់បញ្ចាំងនៅស្ថានីយទូរទស្សន៍ស៊ីទីអិនរបស់យើងគឺរឿងវិញ្ញាណស្នេហ៍ប្រែកាយនិងកញ្ញាខាឡាដែលសម្ដែងនៅក្នុងរឿងវិបត្តិស្នេហ៍ខ្ញុំអរគុណជាដំបូងបាទខ្ញុំសូមសួរជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសតែម្ដងហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការអនុញ្ញាតបាទប្រែជូនទោះបីជាផ្លូវការក្តីមិនផ្លូវការក្តីតែសន្យាថានឹងឲ្យទស្សនិកជនបានជ្រាបទាំងអស់គ្នា Alright and today we will have some question to ask you the first question we would like to know how do you feel when you in Cambodia and especially when you have participated in the event of CDN 10-year anniversary last night
We feel very grateful because ever since we arrived, everybody's been so warm and gentle and down to earth. We've been well taken care of by CTN, so we are very thankful and we are very happy to be here.
Yeah, how about you?
Yes, same here. I've also felt so welcomed. I mean, everybody here in Cambodia is so nice, extremely nice. Like, it's overwhelming. So, I, for one, this is my first time, and I'm so thankful that this is my experience because it really makes me want to come back.
អូខេ
So,
បាទអរគុណប្រិយមិត្តទស្សនិកជនជាទីគោរពបាទសំណួរមុននេះខ្ញុំបានសួរគាត់ថាគាត់មានអារម្មណ៍បាទយ៉ាងណាដែរនៅពេលដែលមកដល់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជាហើយគាត់បានចូលរួមសម្ដែងនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីគម្រប់ខួប10ឆ្នាំរបស់ CTN របស់យើងកាលពីយប់មិញពួកគាត់ទាំងពីរនាក់បានបង្ហាញនៅអារម្មណ៍ផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនថាពួកគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តគាត់រំភើបដែលឃើញប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែររបស់យើងមានលក្ខណៈ friendly បាទគឺរាក់ទាក់ញញឹមរាក់ទាក់ហើយជាវត្តមានដំបូងរបស់គាត់ផងដែរគាត់សង្ឃឹមថានឹងមានវត្តមានលើកក្រោយៗទៀតនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងហើយគាត់ស្រឡាញ់បងប្អូនកម្ពុជារបស់យើងខ្លាំងមែនទែនបាទអរគុណជីជី
Ja, how long have you worked to entertainment?
I have been in entertainment or show business for 4 years already.
4 years.
Yes.
Yes.
And how about you, Miguel?
I'm relatively new. I've only been in the entertainment industry for a year and a half. So, yeah, there's a lot more for me to do and experience.
Yeah. I'm also your friend and I always support all of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, ever since last night's concert, a lot of people here have been following us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. So we feel all the love that you have for us, all the support. So thank you very much.
បាទអរគុណសំណួរដែលជីជីសួរអំបញ្ញមិញគាត់ជីជីបានសួរថាតើមកដល់ពេលនេះអ្នកទាំងពីរបានសម្ដែងបាទចូលរួមនៅក្នុងវិស័យសិល្បៈនឹងរយៈពេលប្រហែលឆ្នាំហើយចំពោះកញ្ញាខាឡាបាទគឺគាត់បានប្រឡូកនៅក្នុងវិស័យសិល្បៈរយៈពេល4ឆ្នាំ4 years right and បាទចំពោះលោក Miguel វិញបាទគាត់ទើបតែជាតារាថ្មីទេគាត់ទើបតែថ្មីនេះទេហើយគាត់នឹងជឿជាក់ថាបងប្អូននឹងបានទស្សនាក៏ដូចជាគ្រប់គ្រងគាត់ផងដែរបាទ and the next question we would like to ask you how many movie have you been performing Kala
A total of 7.
7
Yes, 7. But in between, we have guestings also. So
Oh.
7 total, but we have smaller shows or smaller movies.
okay
Yes.
and Miguel
I've done 3.
3
And thankfully, I think all 3 will be airing here in Cambodia. So the first would be Amaya, My Beloved, and coming soon would be It Might Be You. So I hope you guys all love that because apparently you guys have been watching all of my movies.
alright thank បាទខ្ញុំបានសួរគាត់ថាមកដល់ពេលនេះគាត់បានចូលរួមសម្ដែងប្រមាណរឿងហើយចំពោះកញ្ញាខាឡាវិញគាត់បានចំនួន7រឿងហើយគាត់បានថតនៅសាច់រឿងខ្លីៗជាច្រើនផ្សេងទៀតដោយឡែកចំពោះលោក Miguel គាត់បាន3រឿងហើយដែលរឿងថ្មីនេះដែលកំពុងតែចាក់បញ្ចាំងនៅលើកញ្ចក់ស្ថានីយ៍ទូរទស្សន៍កម្ពុជា CTN របស់យើងគឺរឿងវិញ្ញាណស្នេហ៍ប្រែកាយបាទ
When will you fly back?
We fly back tomorrow. We go home tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning,
Yes,
very
we would
early.
love to stay and enjoy our time here more. But yes, we have work also back in the Philippines, so we have to go back tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning what time?
10 a.m.
Oh,
Very
okay.
early.
So we're gonna wake up at 6 a.m. and get ready and go straight to the airport.
alright thank បាទសំណួរដែលយទីសាសួរអំបញ្ញមិញបាទចង់ដឹងថាគាត់នឹងត្រឡប់ទៅប្រទេសគាត់វិញនៅពេលណាគឺគាត់នឹងត្រឡប់បាទទៅថ្ងៃស្អែកហើយប្រហែលជាម៉ោង10ព្រឹកដូច្នេះគាត់ផ្ញើសេចក្តីនឹករលឹកក៏ដូចជាការស្រឡាញ់របស់គាត់ជូនទៅដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែររបស់យើងគ្រប់ទិសទីតែម្ដង alright we still have some question and yeah the next question we want to know how do you think about Cambodia?
Actually, it reminds us of home. Everybody's been so welcoming and hospitable. So we feel very much at home here. Everybody is so nice. And like I said earlier, we are very well taken care of here. So we see that this is very similar to the Philippines.
All right. បាទអរគុណខ្ញុំបានសួរគាត់ថាគាត់យល់ឃើញយ៉ាងណាដែរអំពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងគាត់ថាប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងស្អាតបាទស្រស់ស្អាតហើយមានការស្វាគមន៍រាក់ទាក់ហើយមានអ្វីដែលស្តៀងទៅនឹងប្រទេសហ្វីលីពីនផងដែរគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តមែនទែននៅពេលដែលគាត់បានមកដល់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើង Thanks and finally we will have some gift for you. Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll give by our GM. So now we would like to invite Mr. Bernard
Mr.
Anthony,
Bernard.
General Manager of CTN. And បាទហើយក៏សូមគោរពអញ្ជើញបាទលោកអេងគឹមស្រៀងដែលជានាយករងបណ្ដាញស្ថានីយទូត CTN ក្នុងការផ្ដល់ជាវត្ថុអនុស្សាវរីយ៍ជូនផងដែរ បាទសូមផ្ដល់ជាសម្លេងអបអរសាទរទាំងអស់គ្នាមួយជូនទៅដល់បាទលោកទាំង4ជាពិសេសបាទគឺតារាកិត្តិយសរបស់យើងបាទសូមម្ដងទៀតមកបានខ្លាំង
Thank you very much. Love you guys.
Okay, thank you sir.
We hope to see you again on CTN. Okay?
We would love to come back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
បាទលោក Bernard បានមានសង្ឃឹមថានឹងបានជួបគាត់បាទម្ដងទៀតឬក៏លើកក្រោយទៀតនៅ CTN របស់យើងអរគុណ Thank you Mikael and Kali and finally do you have something to say please Mikael
Yes, you know, Carla and I, we've all said how much we love the people, how everyone here is so amazing. And I just also like to say that I think the Cambodia itself is beautiful. And the experience here has been so great. So if you would like to welcome us back at any point, we would gladly come back. And
All right,
thank you to
thanks.
CTN also for taking care of us. It's been amazing, really, as in world class.
All right thanks and how about you
Thank you very much for all the love and support. We hope that you continue to support CTN and our movies as well. We will continue to do our best in our movies so that we can show you more movies that you will love eventually. So thank you again very much, especially to CTN.
All right thank you very much បាទគាត់សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះ CTN ដែលបានផ្ដល់ឱកាសនិងអញ្ជើញគាត់ចូលរួមនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីលើកនេះហើយគាត់ស្រឡាញ់និងចូលចិត្តបងប្អូនខ្មែររបស់យើងជាពិសេសនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងផងដែរអរគុណលោកលោកស្រីនិងញ៉ាំជាទីគោរពនៅវគ្គក្រោយកម្មវិធីរបស់យើងនឹងបន្តនៅបេក្ខជនបេក្ខនារីនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីដំណើរឆ្ពោះទៅកាន់ការសម្ដែងជាបន្តទៀតកម្មវិធីនេះអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យយើងខ្ញុំសូមពេលវេលាសម្រាប់ Reflection បាទ